In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Whisk AI in Google. We'll move step by step so you can get to Whisk AI quickly and start creating. Whisk AI is a Google Labs project designed for visual creativity, like transforming photos, crafting stylized images, and even generating animations. Access can vary by region or account type, so I'll point out what to look for as we go. First, open your preferred web browser. This works the same in Google Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. Any modern, up-to-date browser is perfect. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so pages load smoothly. Next, head to Google Search by entering google.com in the address bar. When the page loads, click into the search box at the center of the screen. Now type in your query. You can use Whisk AI, Google Whisk AI, or Whisk AI Google Labs. All three will point you to the right place. As you type, you may see autocomplete suggestions. Feel free to select one of those if it matches what you're entering. Press enter to run the search. You'll see a list of results. What you want is the official Google Labs page for Whisk AI. The easiest way to confirm you're in the right spot is to look for a result that clearly mentions Google Labs and Whisk. The web address should start with labs.google and include the Whisk tool. Avoid sponsored ads or third-party sites that don't mention Google Labs directly. Click the official Google Labs result for Whisk AI. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Google account to continue. This sign-in confirms your access and may be required for experimental features. If you use multiple Google accounts, pick the one you prefer for creative projects. In some cases, a school or work account may have restrictions, so switching to a personal account can help. You might also be asked for two-step verification. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once Whisk AI opens, you're ready to create. You can upload photos to apply styles or enhancements, generate AI art from your ideas, build simple animations, and explore stylized image options. Look for clear buttons like upload or create to get started, and check any settings that control things like style strength or output format. If there are usage limits or early access notices, they'll be indicated on the page. That's it. Open your browser, search for Whisk AI on Google, choose the official Google Labs result, sign in if asked, and you're in. Enjoy exploring photos, AI art, animations, and stylized images inside Whisk AI.